Been offering apprenticeships for a number of years now, and those are across a variety of different disciplines. So from the built environment, structures team, the security consulting team, and also the environmental consulting team as well.
I did my apprenticeship at Buro Happold because I wasn't quite fond of the university setup. I knew I wanted to get into engineering and I understood I needed a degree for it. However, I knew the university side of it wasn't quite for me. So I actually looked at a range of apprenticeships and I picked an apprenticeship at Buro Happold, especially for their design excellency, and I want to work on bigger scales.
The most exciting part of my apprenticeship is occasions when I get to go on site, because that is when you get to see our work in reality. I've been lucky enough to go to visit Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. That was when it was completed, so we got to see it in its shiny new state. And then Everton's Bramley Moor Stadium as well. I've been able to visit there, and that was while it was still working. And that was a really exciting experience for me, because when we were on site with hard hats and high-vis, we were able to actually see our drawings pinned up on the wall alongside the reality of those services.
So my role at Buro Happold has changed over the years. So I've been here roughly 5 years, with my first couple of years starting off as a technician, which has transitioned into more of a BIM manager, and now I predominantly work on the engineering side.
The YEF is the Young Engineers Forum within Buro Happold, and it's been a great support system for apprentices and other graduates in the company as well, with networking, and it involves a lot of community support programs as well. And it's a good way for the young engineers within the company to communicate between each other and support each other, and that goes through all the disciplines in the company.
So I think one of the main benefits of choosing a degree apprenticeship, for example, would be the cost. So Buro Happold as a company will cover the cost of the degree, and alongside that you will get paid a wage. A massive benefit as well of doing a degree apprenticeship is the fact that when you graduate and achieve your qualification, you actually go on to become an engineer at Buro Happold, whereas if you left university as a fresh graduate, you would come in and join us as a graduate and do 2 years at that grade before going up to engineer. So it's a really nice way of sort of joining the business, having a role there ready for you once you graduate, and gaining experience alongside that.
I didn't expect the work side to help so much in the university side, and it really did work hand in hand. I didn't think I'd be quite full on into projects as I am, and I thought I'd be taking more of a back role, and your expectation of as an apprentice having to do, I don't know, the coffee run or whatever. But yeah, over the years, gained responsibility, and I think, I think I've done a lot more than what I was expecting to do.
I'd say the apprenticeship has given me more of a clear path in my head of what I want to do in the future and where I want to go. It's opened my eyes more to the other opportunities within the field that I'm studying as well, where I could go with my career, things I could specialise in that I wouldn't have known about otherwise.
My advice to anyone considering the apprenticeship programme is make sure that you are passionate about the subject, because it's not an easy route to take, but it is so rewarding for the knowledge you learn and the people you are surrounded by from such an early start in your career. It is brilliant. Yeah, I'm so glad I chose this route.